You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that I know a lot of people get confused by. By the way, if you're confused by many pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you to clarify all of them. Pronounced two different correct ways in English, two correct pronunciations. Multisyllabic, a word that has several syllables. In American English in particular, it's sometimes also pronounced as multisyllabic. So every word essentially that starts with multi can also be pronounced as multi. Multisyllabic, or multisyllabic. Yes, I find it harder with multisyllabic. No, multisyllabic. Can you pronounce it? It's a mouthful. Anyways, you got everything now. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.